Hey guys, Chuck Barker here. How you doing? Hey, I'm going to be speaking down at Digital Dealer Conference in Orlando, April 10th at 10:05, doing a real fun, cool module lesson on personality profiling. You know, personalities is what really makes life interesting, exciting, and at the same time frustrating, a la the proverbial personality conflict. Well, we're going to show you, first of all, how to identify your personality and then teach you how to better be flexible, adaptable, and engage with the other three types of personalities. So it's a real crowd pleaser. We'll have a lot of fun. It'll show you how to really enhance your relationship with your kids, your spouse, the pizza delivery guy, the lady at the cleaners, your salespeople, management people, customers, of course. And I think you'll have a real nice takeaway to bring it back to your store and to your home. So hope to see you there. It'll be a lot of fun. Tuesday, April 10th at 10:05. All right, have a great day. See ya.